As Jamaican football fans and stakeholders grapple with the chronic leadership and competence crisis in Jamaican football, with calls getting louder and louder to wipe the slate clean, dissolve the JFF, and put competent people in charge. Well, just take a peep over the fence of the big bad Brazil, where the world governing body FIFA is threatening to suspend all Brazilian national and club teams from international competition if the Brazilian FA does not arrange internal elections to replace its beleaguered president. All of this is after a ruling by the Brazilian courts to remove the sitting president and his executive. FIFA said that is interference and we will lock Brazil out of football. Now, if FIFA is dealing with big bad Brazil like that, what would they do to little insignificant Jamaica? If we ever go down the road of talking about we getting rid of Mike Ricketts or even Raymond Anderson because we don't like them or because they are incompetent, forget it. Football is run by a clique for the benefit of the clique. Remember that.